This is a video about how to submit comp learning to the CLCE. I don't know about you, but I've been going bananas about figuring out how to submit comp learning. Let's figure it out together. The first step is to go to the Honors main website and go to User Tools. The second step is to scroll down and select Comp Learning under Student Resources. The third step is to click the link for the CLCE's website. The fourth step is to click Report Your Hours. The fifth step is to log into campus groups with your RIT email. The sixth step is to select Honors as your organization. This is the most important step, as if this is not done, we cannot accept your hours. The seventh step is to select the type of service or philanthropy. You can review our handbook to see what hours we accept. The eighth step is to fill out all the information. The nonprofit organization that was served in this scenario was Food Share, and I have performed service at this location in the past. The start and end date of the community service that was performed was on March 31st, 2023, and the nonprofit contact is a Food Share coordinator. The event name is Volunteering at Food Share, and a brief description is Volunteering at Food Share, giving bananas to those who need it most. I am just submitting this form for myself, so only one individual participated, and I did 1 hour of service. If you're filling out the form for a group of people, then add more participants through the drop-down menu and choose the proper number of hours. Click Submit when you are finished and you are all set. You did banana-tastic!